Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says let A and B two events such that P of A union B bar equals 1 by 6. So you know that P of A plus P of A bar equals 1. So can I say that, sir, P of A union B will become 1 minus P of A union B bar? So 1 minus 1 by 6. So it will become 5 by 6. Okay. We have P of A intersection B as 1 by 4. And P of A is 1 by 4. So can I, P of A bar is 1 by 4. So can I say that P of A will become 1 minus 1 by 4 as 3 by 4. Okay. Now we have some words. Equally likely. Equally likely. Then we have independent. Independent. Now we have mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. Okay. Now look at this. One by one we will crack everything. So first we will go with equally likely. Equally likely means what? If P of A is equal to P of B, then it is equally likely. Okay. So P of A is 3 by 4. Now we have to find out P of B. So for that I will be using this formula. P of A union B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A union B is what? 5 by 6. P of A is what? 3 by 4. P of B is what? We don't know. P of A intersection B is what? 1 by 4. Okay. So we got things as 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 5 by 6. P of B. Now we'll multiply by 3 and 3. So P of B will become 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6. That is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. So P of A is 3 by 4. P of B is 1 by 3. They are not equal. So it is not equally likely. Okay. So given thing is not equally likely. Now we will think about independent. So if A and B are independent event, you know that P of A intersection B will become P of A into P of B. Okay. So P of A intersection B is what? 1 by 4. P of A is what? P of A is 3 by 4. And P of B is what? 1 by 3. So if you will simplify things, you will find that this holds true. So given function is independent. And mutually exclusive means what? Mutually exclusive means intersection should be 0, but in the given question intersection is P of A intersection B is what? 1 by 4. So it is not mutually exclusive. It is independent. Independent but not, look at this, equally likely. So they are saying equally likely, but it is not true. Mutually exclusive. It is not mutually exclusive, because if it is mutually exclusive, P of A intersection B should be 0. They are saying that it is independent. Yes, it is independent. It is not equally likely. So option 3 is correct. Equally likely, this is wrong. Mutually exclusive, this is also wrong. Okay. I hope the idea is clear. You guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.